Welcome to Crafty Girls! Today we are doing a mystery glove of Halloween glitter slime challenge.
And this is our very last Halloween video of 2018. One last laugh. Then we're going to be working on saying, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. No, I'll probably be the ho-ho person.
No!
If you're new to our channel, I'm Annalise.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Julie.
They're fraternal twins and I'm their older sister.
We would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you'll become part of our CG family.
So let us know in the comments down below if you've done those things, and you might get a shout out at the end. Let's get started!
We have 9 gloves, and in these 9 gloves, we have all the Halloween colors you could possibly imagine.
Look, my finger has somehow made this other finger leave, and it's now controlling this one. So we looked it up, you guys. The official colors of Halloween are red, white, black, green, purple, and orange. Since there's only 6 colors and 9 gloves, 3 of them are duplicate colors of glitter, but a different type of glitter.
So in the end, we think this is going to be a gorgeous glitter slime.
But best Halloween colors win. And you all get to vote and tell us.
We've got our glove.
We've got our balls, and we have our scissors. Why did I get the tiny scissors? Those are actually sewing scissors, those are not kid scissors.
You're not supposed to.
Anyway, let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to choose a blade first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, I go first. I go first.
I go second, and I go last. Okay, Rachel, pick your glove.
Now, ready? By the way, we've had a lot of comments saying that you should cut the glove from the top, but then why put it in a glove? Oh, they're going floppy. All right. I got white.
That's really pretty holographic glitter.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
Wow, Rachel, that sounds gonna be really pretty. All right, I'm gonna choose my glove next. I think I'm gonna go for this one. It's sprayed. It's white. It's green. Whoa, that's so cool. It like sprayed at Julia. Sorry, Jewel. It's okay. My turn, and I pick this. I got fine white, and Rachel got chunky white.
I'm gonna get my next glove. Okay. Oh,
Black.
black on white. Might be really cool. Probably would be really cool.
Okay.
I like the black glitter a lot.
It's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna pick this glove. Oh, okay. Let's cut it. I love cutting things. Okay, that makes me sound like a really creepy person. That is so cool. Orange, yay. This is really gorgeous, although I wonder what it's gonna look like all mixed. I picked this one. Red. That looks like a blood red. We are down to 3 balloons. And Rachel, you can pick. Oh, well,
This one?
you're just like us, Rachel. You get exactly what's in front of you.
Purple.
Oh, I want purple.
Oh gosh.
There are 2 gloves left. Let me pick this one. All right. Purple. Woo! I love purple, you guys. Most of you know that. I think most of you know that, but that's my favorite color. I love it. My turn. Last glove of Halloween 2018. No, it feels so sad. Yes. I feel so sad. Guys, the next Halloween video, I'm gonna be 11. I'm gonna be 11. I'm going to be 13. Rachel's gonna be 13. And we can look back on this video and say, oh, we were so cute, and Annalise won every chat. I'm joking.
Okay, you guys, so here are our slime bowls, and we are really curious to see what these are going to turn into.
The holographic white goes greenish. So that's
yeah.
really cool.
Alright, mine. Wow, I don't know how I feel about this one. I think it's gonna be extra interesting. Whoa! Okay,
Your white's also getting a greenish holographic line.
guys, my green like disappeared. It looks really cool actually.
I'm gonna have a phantom storm.
Alright guys, we're gonna pour in some clear glue and make this into slime. I whipped you, I'm sorry.
Oh man.
Should be pretty. Please don't think. Whoa, guys, this is crazy. Whoa. Time to activate. We're gonna get these all mixed up and we will be right back. Okay, here are our slimes. They look super good. I think, oh, I don't know who won. Because I think Rachel, look, maybe. Hubba Bubba. Smile Pumpkin Patch. Woo! Wait, we need some cheesy jokes right now. Okay, let's think. Knock knock.
Is there?
Pumpkin.
Fucking hell.
Pumpkin.
Honey, you don't even know the joke. Are you making it up on the fly?
Yes! I got one. Annalise, Annalise, you cannot say anything about it, okay? There you go. No, I'm telling it to Rachel. Rachel, knock knock.
Who's there?
I am.
I am who?
How do you not know who you are? Get it? Rachel, how do you fix a broken pumpkin?
You glue it back together.
A pumpkin patch.
Ew.
Why don't skeletons hang out in graveyards? They don't have the guts. Oh my god, because there's bones. Okay.
What room of the house does the skeleton stay out of?
Wait, let me think.
This is hard.
The attic?
The living room.
Oh, that is a good one. Get it? Because it's the living room. Okay, like one people more. Are living in that room. Here are our finished slimes. This row. This slime is super pretty. Annalise has purple and orange, and that's very Halloween-y, so I think she won. Yeah. Ooh. Ready. All right. Let me do one more, and okay. It's an 8-foot long slime.
Alright, ready?
Lovely.
Why are graveyards so noisy? Wait, let me think. Because of all the coughing. Oh, my turn. Why are there fences around cemeteries? I don't know. Because people are dying to get in.
Why don't skeletons go trick-or-treating?
Wait, let me think. I think I heard this one before. Wait.
Don't know.
No, wait, no, I do.
They don't have any body to go with.
Oh!
Okay, you guys, please tell us in the comments down below which of our slimes you thought was the most Halloween-like.
We got, like, it's so fun to make glitter slime. We forgot how much fun it was. This is awesome. Also, guys, tell us in the comments down below if you guys are dressing up for Halloween. Tell us what you guys are dressing up as.
And now it is time for shoutouts.
Amazing Aza, Jordan and her mom, Candace Hallberg,
Maxine Clark,
Jalen Ortiz, Lipro 733,
I See Dragon Girl,
Dakota Townsend, Mariha, I hope I said that correctly,
Tina Alcorn,
Christy Byers, Nev Wilkes,
and Cheer Is My Game.
Thank you so much for being part of our CG family.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up.
We love you guys so much.
Bye!